How's it going everyone? I just learned how to add a character count formula to Notion, the productivity and note-taking app. This is really useful if you have a character limit you need to stick to for SEO purposes or for YouTube titles. I'll show you how I set it up on mine. Firstly, I used a content calendar template in Notion to plan and track my YouTube videos and to write scripts. When I click on one of the pages, it has all the properties at the top here, and normally I'll record my research, notes and scripts within this page. In order to add the character count, you need to click on add a property, click on text and go down to formula. This creates a formula for the property. You then click on the property again and then we can rename that property. Then what I'm going to do is edit the formula, and now I'm going to add the formula at the top. So this formula will give me the character length for the property name. The name is the title of the page. Click done and that's it. Character length 52. If I type in more, it changes in real time. What I'm going to do is click on these dots here to drag it to the top, and there you go, character length within Notion. If you want to see the word count for the page, then click on the three dots in the top right hand side, then scroll down to the bottom and you have the word count here, 46. I'm still learning how to use Notion, as currently my system for note taking is all over the place on different devices and apps. I will make more Notion videos as I become more accustomed to it. I've only been using it for a few weeks now, but so far I like it. Feel free to let me know in the comments any quick tips you might have for me and anything I could do to make it easier to use. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.